Hi everyone, फिर भी आप सभी को स्वागत है मेरा नया वीडियो में. For a while, I can't able to make any vlogs or videos because of so many things that I have to do. Maybe because I can able to manage the time because of that. Okay, actually, yeah. And tonight I'm here with this scissor. I'm here with this scissor. Guess why or what? Can any one of you see or notice something new in my video? Can you see? Guess it. Alright, so in this video, I'm gonna unbox two items that which is sent by our family members. So I believe I'm gonna like it, and I also hope that all of you will like the gift that our friend has sent to me. Last time when I was in live, some of our friends say that they cannot hear my voice properly, and one person said that somebody should donate good micro. So here we go. Thank you so much to the person who have really see the struggle that I have. Thank you so much. God bless you. Now let's check out together. There's one more thing. So please watch till the end. And here, for those beginners and for people those who have from the beginning, it's nothing for them but people like me. For the beginners, this is really like which we really need of, and which is important for us. So this is which I'm going to share it to you all. This is going to help me from next time. No, by this video itself. Okay, let's try from this video itself. So today I'm here with this scissors. So let me just cut it. I'm really waiting for the person who have this one. Right, what is this? Yeah, I think you. Wow, this much. What's this? Okay, this. This is move on. What's this? What's this? Yes, like this. This one I do it. And connect. What's this? I use for first time. I do this. Okay. What's this? Okay. Yes. Alright, let's try the next. Okay. Okay, I have one here. Yes, this one. Okay, let's try. Yes, we do this here. So this. Oh, okay, you know. I'm not sorry. Alright, then. Thank you so much. May God bless you. That this is really going to help me. And yeah, another one thing that is, yes, this one. You may already know that. What is this? Yeah, so let's unbox together. Let me just cut from here. I'm ready, but I'm too rough. Yeah, this is nice. Oh, I was thinking something dropped and I forgot. This one, okay. And this one. Maybe I have one for, and I'm just recording from phone itself, so I don't know whether I can show it to all of you, but let's just try it. Seriously. You have to pull. Oh, okay, now I got it. Let me just stand and show you all. Okay, since I have only one phone and I don't have any stand, so I'm going to do it. I'll just keep little distance and I'll show it to you, okay? Okay, that's it. Yeah, so this is the one. For me, it is my very first time, so a little bit conscious. Yeah, this is like this. And I can get loose here. Yeah, I how long I need. Even for this much, after this, I can it. Yeah, everyone have to block. Where? This one? Okay, no, okay, this one, this one. Okay, then here, oh, this. Yeah, this one. Yeah, this one. Oh, this one long. Oh, since I don't want one phone, I'll just try it with this. Let's try this one. Let me just put this. This one for camera. I mean, this one for phone. It is. Oh, this is. Yeah, this is the one. Oh, this is too long. Too tall. This is the one. The mobile stand. No, mobile stand. Thank you so much. Yeah. You said, she said again, she said, this is just small. I mean, not satisfied, but just use it as a token of love from her. She said like that. But I want to reply to you with this. Okay. Thank you so much. This is more than enough, and this is going to be very useful for me. It's really mean a lot to me. Okay, really mean a lot to me. Thank you so much. So I should say in return, may God bless you. In return, may God bless you. When I say may God bless you, I'm going to pray for you that God is going to bless you. That you have really understand my situation, and you really understand my needs. Yeah, so that's all that I just want to share it with you all. This is what I want to share, my happiness and my joy to you all. And oh yeah, let me just tell you the person that who gifted me. Okay, let me not mention her name, but she is from our family member. It is same name from my family member. So when I say my family member, that is my siblings, my younger sister. Okay, instead of elder sister helping her, she is helping me. So I really thankful to my younger sister who have really gifted me this thoughtful gift that you have gifted to me. Thank you so much. And thank you all my family members, those who have watched this video to the end. May God bless you all. Bye. Take care everyone.